Hi, I'm Ben from Hack Engineering. We usually do loads of quite serious videos really, but we thought we'd go through something a bit sillier, which is one of our own projects that we're working on, which is this 1967 Hillman Imp. Well, Sunbeam Imp. It's basically a Hillman Imp. It is exactly the same thing, just with a few fancy bits on it. So it's it was made in Scotland in 1967. As standard, it has a little 4-cylinder engine in the back. We've currently got our engineering department working on various options that might fit. Yeah, there's not a lot of room in there. So so probably just have to leave him to it really. And yeah, the rest of the car, it's all pretty solid. It needs a lot of love to get it looking a bit better. But we're going to go through it, upgrade the suspension. They're fully independent suspension on these. Actually quite a lot better than the Minis and other things of the time, dare I say it. Yeah, rear suspension's already out. They've got drum brakes around, so we're going to sort that out. Hopefully get some more power in it. Just make it a cool little, slightly modernised classic car. Make sure it can just reliably do some mileage and maybe do a little bit quicker than normal. All depends on what Alex reckons of the engineering involved.
I want to know, Ben, 19-year-old Ben, how many tubes of silicone you squeezed on the inside of this wing?
It wasn't me. It was like that when I got it.
It's very nice.
True story.
Have a look at that is a little goodie.
Ooh. Yeah.
Fruity.
I would have painted over it, but,
Yeah,
but I didn't do it. Yeah, so I've had this car since I was 17, and I put it into storage when I was 19. So I haven't seen it for quite a long time. And yeah, I basically put it in storage because the engine blew up, because they're quite a fragile engine really, based on the Coventry Climax, loosely. But yeah, so we'll see what else we can fit in it, and we'll show you what we're going to do with it.
It's really not that bad.
No, it's a great car.